Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change language in Baidu Map app. First, unlock your phone and open the Play Store. In the search bar, type Screen Translator or Instant Translate. From the results, choose a reliable app such as Instant Translate and tap on Install. Wait until the app is fully downloaded and installed on your phone. Once the installation is complete, open the Translator app. When the app opens, you will see language options. Set the translate from language to Chinese. Then set the translate to language to English. Next, tap on the Start button inside the Translator app. A permission message will appear asking to allow display over other apps. Tap Allow and confirm the permission in your phone settings if needed. After granting permission, return to your home screen. Now open the Baidu Maps app. As soon as Baidu Maps opens, you should see a small floating translation icon on the screen. Tap on the floating icon. A menu will appear. Select Global Translate or Screen Translate depending on the app version. The translator will now automatically detect the Chinese text on the screen. You will see English words appearing over or near the Chinese text. This allows you to understand menus, buttons, and map information easily. Thanks for watching.